The convoy has been spotted a few miles down this highway, sir.
No time to lose, then. This crossroad is the last position where we can stop them before they reach the city. Send your troops there immediately, Commander.
Pedal the metal!
The convoy is approaching. We're tracking its position with a drone.
Hurry up! Capture the crossroad before they reach it.
Remember, this is officially a humanitarian convoy, and unless proven otherwise, it must be considered as such. Act with extreme caution here, General.
Yeah, of course. Commander, make sure our troops are instructed to hold their fire and engage only if fired upon.
Logistics ready. Armored transport, standing by. Don't shoot unless fired upon. Troop transport reporting in. All trench movement.
We are holding the crossroad, General. They are approaching rapidly. Maybe they didn't see us. Shall we fire a warning shot?
End of the line.
Negative!
Everybody out.
Hold your fire and stay in the middle of the road. Show them we're here, and they'll back off.
Copy. Relocating.
They stopped.
Moving out.
It looks like they're hesitating.
I guess they weren't expecting us. Come on,
Good
now is the
copy.
moment of
Next
truth.
waypoint received.
Either they
Roger.
go back
Moving to next
or they try
waypoint.
to pass in
Bobby
force.
here, send traffic. Heading back to home 20.
Look, they're moving back.
We have a building.
Thank
to
God
secure.
we won't have a war on our hands today. Congratulations, General. I have to admit, I didn't think it would be that easy.
No, wait. They turned left. What are they doing?
They're trying another approach to bypass us. Commander, redeploy your troops on these crossroads. Show them we're not here by accident. Don't forget to call reinforcements. We'll need all the help we can get to cover all these crossing points.
Roger. Moving to next waypoint. Striker here. We're combat ready. Combat vehicle at your command, sir. Good copy. Next waypoint received. Fighting vehicle ready. Roger. We're Oscar Mike.
They've stopped again.
Roger. Moving out.
First crossroad secured.
Striker at your command, sir. Combat vehicle standing by. Striker at your command, sir. Roger that. Fire only when fired upon. Striker here. We're combat ready.
Enemy soldiers have dismounted from the trucks and started moving in our direction. We got positive identification of weapons. I repeat, PID of weapons.
Hold your fire! This is a game of chicken. Whoever shoots first takes the blame.
Get on it, come on!
Second crossroad secured, sir.
And whoever gets shot first dies.
New ROE.
Williams,
Fire
drop a
only
bomb
when
on the
fired
road in
upon.
front of them as a warning. We must show where our red line stands.
Striker, ready for action. Moving a new fighting position. Shoot anything on sight.
Our drone has been shot down.
Engage on
Clear they're
sight.
not coming to shake hands.
Roger.
You're authorized to
Shooting on
engage, Commander.
Need supplies?
Armed vehicles are detaching from the bulk of the convoy. They're moving up in our direction.
Hey,
Prepare
check
for
out
an
that
assault.
cruiser they gave me.
Establish defensive positions in the buildings near the crossroads on our flank, Commander. And make sure our troops are resupplied.
Fighting vehicle is
If one of these
combat ready,
positions
sir.
is overwhelmed,
Pedal to the
fall
metal.
back on the main crossroad and hunker down there. scramble jets to provide fire support, but they won't be there before 30 minutes. Your orders are simple. Hold at all costs until they arrive.
Artillery, moving out.
Your men will never hold that long. Give me a minute. We have a pair of AC-130 gunships in the area. I will demand they be rerouted in your direction.
Who are you actually working with now, Miller?
Just use the plane and don't ask questions. They will be there in about 10 minutes.
Combat vehicle ready. Ain't nothing gonna get in our way. Striker awaiting orders. Moving out. Striker standing by. Roger. We're on the move. Striker here. Go ahead. Moving there now. Mortar ready, sir. Armored transport reporting in. Who needs support? Cargo truck ready. Let's dump that. Roger, we're Oscar Mike. Fighting vehicle reporting in. Armored transport ready. Striker here. Good copy. Next waypoint received. Troop transport ready. Fire mission received. Logistics ready. Last stop. Everybody out. Our truck is speeding and needs repairs. Copy. Relocating. It's getting intense up there. Vehicle status red. Situation's high. Copy. We RTB. Roger. Flipping side. Heading back to base. Hit the gas. Roger. Moving out. Keep driving. Striker here. Go ahead. Smoke screen deployed. Target confirmed. We're engaging. Glory, go! On ass, everybody. Hit it!
Our flank is starting to crumble. You can abandon ground to gain time, Commander, but make sure you keep control of the main crossroad.
Copy. Call for fire received. All trench monkeys, dismount. Striker here. We're in combat. Vehicle hit. Holy shit, that was close. Team in combat.
Be advised, Commander. A second wave of vehicles has forced the border and is approaching the highway. They are accompanied by self-propelled howitzers this time.
Static defenses will be hammered by their artillery, so use the mobility of the strikers to avoid their fire.
Vehicle heavily damaged. Need maintenance. Defensive smoke. Roger. Moving out. Move your asses, maggots! Get your asses out of my vehicle! Rolling on double nickel. 10, Roger. We're rolling.
A handful of Lithuanian units have arrived, and will hold the outskirts of the town on our left. Fall back on the main crossroad and hunker down there to receive the main Russian assault.
Weapons team at your command, sir. Mount up and let's go! Roger. Moving the next waypoint. Weapons team ready.
Their artillery fires volley after volley without repositioning. Sadly, our mortars lack the range to provide counter battery without exposing themselves.
They're just asking to be beaten. Williams, contact the Lithuanian artillery battery that was training with the strikers. Those PCH-2000s will come in handy.
Fire in that building!
At once,
Shut up
sir.
and let's go! Fly truck ready to transport. Unloading! Striker here! We're in combat! One more hit and our vehicle's
Sir,
dead!
the Lithuanian artillery responded. One of their platoons is already on its way. You can call it as reinforcement, Commander.
The situation is getting dire here, Miller. When are those planes coming?
Almost there. Just hold on a few more minutes.
Count on it! Let's get away! Roger. Moving the next waypoint. Fast is out! Fighting vehicle ready for combat! Weapons team here. 1099, mission complete. Striker here! We're under fire! Punch it! Full speed! Striker reporting in. Weapons team in combat. Requesting orders. Striker ready for combat. Heavy weapons team taking fire. Don't be silly ducks. Get in there! UPT. Fly truck under fire. Weapons team in combat. Awaiting command. Already there. Copy. Relocating. Weapons team under fire. Requesting orders. Get your head out of your point of contact and move out! Need supplies? Hey, check out this rooster cruiser they gave me. Weapons team standing by. On ass, we're moving! Pump and smoke! Weapons team at your orders. Don't stay here! Get in that building! Let's go back to Pog Land. Weapons team engaged. What are your orders? Get covered! Move to that building! Moving there now. Moving. Popping smoke. Our vehicle has been hit! What are you waiting for? Drive! Heavy weapons team in combat! Fighting vehicle engaged! Ready to rain down death! Target marked, direct fire! Weapons team in combat, send your orders! Keep moving!
Enemy units are pouring through the main crossroad. Eliminate them and retake it immediately.
Alive!
The cavalry has arrived, Commander. The gunships are here to support you. Move them over enemy positions and enjoy the show.
Smoke deployed! Personal carrier ready! Need some heavy firepower? Our vehicle can't take much more of this!
to organize our next move. Congratulations, Commander.
No time for congratulations. Reports indicate Russian penetrations on all the main axes leading to the 3 capital cities of the Baltic states. So there you have it, General. Your long-awaited war.